Hello friends! Today I have a special unboxing. It's a new Monster High doll set. Let's open it up and see what I got. So this doll set I'm very excited about. They recently gone on sale and I knew I had to jump on it. When they came out I didn't have the money to buy the dolls and I figured they might go on sale and I was right. It's a Skullector doll set. Can you guess what it is? Let's check it out. Let's see what's inside. Ta-da! It's the Us dolls from Jordan Peele's horror movie called Us. Wow, a 2-pack doll set. Monster High Skullector. Look how cool this box is. Let's see. Ooh. Adelaide in red. That's the back of the box. Ta-da! Let's take a look without this plastic lid on. As you know, I always tear this off because of the glare. All right. Wow, what a cool doll set. Adelaide in red. And the 2 little bunny rabbits. Wow, look at this. These are so cool. They're so different and unique looking. And they're on sale now at mattelcreations.com. If you're interested, check them out on the website. I've been waiting for these dolls to go on sale, and the minute I seen it, I jumped on it. All right, let's take a closer look. Let's see what's underneath here. Okay, there's the 2 doll stands. And there's the certificate of authenticity. Very nice. Cool. Brobee, what are you doing? Brobee, what are you doing? Stop wrecking the couch. I'm trying to film a doll video.